Alright, let's get started by heading over to the indicators section on TradingView and adding the alpha trend indicator to the chart. This scalping strategy relies on three free indicators, including alpha trend. Once the indicator is added, we'll tweak the settings. First, change the multiplier to 2. And the common period to 9. These settings will make the trend lines respond faster. Next, in the style section, alter the buy signal to below the bar and the sell signal to above the bar. This makes the buy and sell signals instantly recognizable. This indicator makes trading pretty straightforward. When you see a buy signal, you can enter a buy trade. And similarly, when you see a sell signal, you can enter a sell trade. But I would never recommend relying solely on one indicator. We should use some other tools as well to have a more powerful and profitable strategy. To do this, we'll first add the Macdema indicator to the chart. This indicator can help us identify signals that are less likely to succeed. Though we need to optimize the indicator first. So in the indicator settings, change DEMA chord to 7, DEMA long to 21, and set the signal to 9. In the style section, we'll need both the histo and level options, which you can set the colors to your liking. Adding the second indicator alongside the first provides more confidence in the signals, helps filter out weaker ones, and overall improves our edge. Essentially, when the Macdema indicator's histogram is white and above 0, that confirms entering a buy trade. And vice versa, when it's red, that signals a sell trade. In the next step, we should add the 10 in 1 different moving averages indicator to the chart. This indicator will help identify the overall market trend. Then go to the settings and change the method to SMA. Plus, change the color to white. Then within styles, increase the line thickness slightly. Adding this moving average indicator will provide extra confirmation of trends and signals from Macdema. The strategy is now optimized and we can define the rules for getting in trades. To enter a buy, first we need a buy signal. Then we must confirm the uptrend by seeing if the candle that caused the signal closes above the 200 moving average. Finally, the Macdema indicator needs to be white and above 0. If all these conditions are met, we have a validated buy signal and can enter at the close of that candle. For stops, we can either use the recent swing low or the alpha trends line. For taking profits and exiting, we'll set a target of twice the stop loss amount. The sell trade rules are essentially the opposite of the buy trade rules. To enter a sell, we first need a sell signal. The Macdema indicator has to be red and below 0. Finally, the candlestick that produced this signal must then close below the 200 moving average to confirm the downtrend. If those conditions are met, we have a validated sell signal and can enter at the close of that candlestick. For the stop loss, we can use either the recent swing high or the alpha trend line. To take profits and exit the trade, we'll target twice the stop loss amount. But if you're a beginner trader who doesn't know how to consistently make profits in the markets, then you absolutely cannot miss this video.